Hello everyone, we are all stars. I'm Anagha.
I'm Saavni.
And I'm Manasvi. We're from Excel Public School, Kooragalli, Mysore.
Our project theme is Inclusivity, aiming to gamify skill building for students. Traditional art forms like Rangoli can be a fantastic way to develop skills. Today, we introduce the RangoWrite kit.
Rangoli, a traditional Indian art form, not only reflects our rich cultural heritage but also encourages creativity and critical thinking. Our kit makes learning these skills enjoyable and accessible. Let's dive into the unique features of RangoWrite that set it apart from the rest.
Board 1 has large grids that allow the students in their foundational years to improve on their fine motor skills by placing stencils and dropping rangoli powder to create beautiful designs. On the other side, the accompanying strips with varying holes to put dots help with pattern recognition. Dots are vital in the traditional rangoli.
Board 2 has grids and small dowels. Students observe, insert dowels, and recreate patterns using threads. This not only refines fine motor skills but also boosts spatial awareness.
Board 3 is a mathematical playground that explores symmetry, tessellation, scaling, ratio, and proportion. Create and modify patterns within the grids, making math a visually appealing experience.
The carefully curated booklet provides graded activities, ensuring continuous skill development. Our comprehensive kit includes 3 checkered boards, 3D printed rangoli designs, strips with holes, thread, a rangoli design booklet, and small wooden dowels. Everything you need for a holistic learning experience. What makes RangoWrite truly special? It caters to different skills, age groups, and learning levels. During this project, we learned ATL tools like 3D printing, documentation, research, and designing, which enhanced our skills.
RangoWrite is not just a product, it's a celebration of culture, creativity, and learning. Bring the joy of Rangoli into your classrooms, nature skills, and watch the students blossom into well-rounded individuals.
Join us on this colorful journey with RangoWrite, where tradition meets education and every stroke tells a story.
Thank you.